Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well by the grace of God. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use ginger, onion plus rice water. Okay guys, you need to try this. Trust me, try it. My hair is full, very full. Hey. All my front hair was gone. My hair was not growing because I was pregnant, but now look at this, and now it's heavy, shiny, strong, healthy, thanks to onion, ginger, and rice water. Yes, I fermented my rice for 1 week, guys. 1 week. Oh my goodness, just read the benefits of rice. You do, please don't forget your essential oil, because rice is strong and onion and ginger is even stronger than rice. So I always use my essential oil in my DIY. You can mix any oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any oil you want to mix is also good to mix. But for me, I just use essential oil. Okay guys, you can mix black castor oil or any oil of your choice, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. You can put it in if you want. Okay guys, now leave it for 2 days. Let it stay for 2 days. Okay, I'm gonna braid my hair, guys, and I'm gonna use it on my hair. Who said you can't use this on your braid? You can use it on your braid if you do it well. Okay, if you do it well, you can use it on your braid. So I'm gonna use it on my braid. This is my onion and this is my ginger. These are benefits of onion. These are benefits of onion, guys. Yeah, powerful DIY growth hair quickly. If you want to grow your hair, guys, try this. Trust me, try this. Now I'm gonna show you guys the benefit of ginger. A lot of people recommended this for me, but I was doubting it. You don't doubt something until you try it. And since I tried it, oh, should I say, forgive me for not starting this so early, guys. I'm loving this onion juice and water. Adding ginger to it, you gotta try this, guys. Try this and put your comment down below. Put your comment and share. Okay, share my page, subscribe to my channel, because next video is coming. Okay, you don't want to miss the next video. All right. I did a lot, guys. You can freeze it in the freezer as well. So as you can see, I'm frozen some. So every day it will look fresh, and I'll take it out and I'll use it for my hair. So you can freeze it in your freezer. And I add my essential oil for what I'm coming to use now on my hair. Don't forget, once again, your essential oil. Yeah, this is the power ingredient, guys. Onion, ginger, and fermented rice water for 1 week. Try this, guys. I braid my hair 3 days ago, and you can use it even if you braid your hair. It doesn't matter. You can use it on your hair. So I'm gonna do this for 1 month. I'm gonna use this for 1 month because I'm gonna keep my braid for 1 month, guys. I can't wait to see the effects of it. I hope you guys enjoy my video. When you putting it in your hair, please take your own time. It's because I fastered a timer. it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, so I have to faster the timer a little bit. Yeah, so first of all, you apply your rice water in your hair, and then after that you massage gently 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you put your onion and your ginger. As I said, don't forget to put in your essential oil. Oh, the smell is strong. Very strong, guys. Very strong. It was going in my eye. Very strong. Don't forget your edges. So as I said, I'll be using this for 1 month, guys. 1 month. And then I see how I go. So I'm massaging it gently. I'm so happy, guys. So happy. And I'll come back and show you guys the results after 1 month. I hope you like it. Give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Oh yeah, rice water, onion and ginger for you. After that, just cover it for 30 minutes, guys. That's all. 30 minutes. You can wash it if you want, but if you've braided your hair after 30 minutes, all you have to do is just get a cotton and a water and just squeeze a little bit of your shampoo in. Just clean your scalp, your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm happy. I can't wait to see you guys again in my next video. In my next video, don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, Bella. God bless you. Shalom.